Hi guys, and welcome to AI Tech Azure class. Today we'll be going through an analysis called career decision. So this is how the complete analysis is going to look like. So it's just a simple decision analysis. So it's more of imaginations of the jobs that you think. It's more of a way to decide of which jobs you would like to actually prioritize. So this is the complete look. So now let's start by creating a new blank workbook. Yes, so you can come all the way here and write career decision. Alright, so can bold it. Right, so now you just write hi tech here. You can write your name, you can fill whatever name you like there. So for this comment, yes, I write bold it. Yes, so the first thing we're going to be inserting is the job. What jobs? You can just invent jobs that you're interested in, maybe jobs that you feel like you would want to do. So I'll be starting mine with Domino's manager. So you can just invent whatever jobs you like. So that's what I'm doing. Here we have engineering, alright, calculator, truck driver, we have data analyst. So let's see if this career decision will actually prioritize data analyst. Alright, let's remove this. Alright, so this is our jobs. Yes, we've been able to highlight 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's like 9 of them. Yes, we've been able to. Yes, 9 of them. So now let's highlight this. Let's bold it. Yes. So for this, you can just okay. Can you see? So now let's start with the P. We're going to be rating it 1 to 5, and you're going to be inventing also. But first of all, let's add this is pay. The next one is the job market. How available is this job in the market? So the third one is enjoyment. How well do you enjoy this job? Do you understand? Then the fourth one is my talent. Do you really have talent in it, or are you just doing it without having talent? So the last one is schooling. Do you run any school program on it? Yes, so that's what we're dealing with here. So first of all, let's highlight some space. Alright, so we need to insert a column in each for our calculation. You can see what I'm doing. So just do it the same way I'm doing it here. So I've inserted new columns here, so you can print this if you do not. Just leave it. So we have our pay, job market, enjoyment, my talent, schooling. Yes. So now let's invent. So we'll be rating it from 1 to 5. You can also do that. 1 to 5. So let's invent. So we're going to be inventing, be rating from 1 to 5. If you think the pay is actually very okay, you can rate it. So I'm inventing my ratings now. You can also invent yours. Like I said, this is a very simple analysis, so it doesn't involve much thinking. So let's invent the job market. All right. I'm done inventing the job market, so I'm moving to the enjoyment. How well do I enjoy this? Or how well do I think I'll enjoy it? So I'm inventing the ratings. Remember, you can rate it the way you like. It's just to show if it's going to be able to decide what career you should choose. So I've invented my enjoyment. So the next one is the talent. How well am I talented in this job roles? Do you understand? Am I talented at all, or am I just trying? So you can also invent that. Okay, the last one is schooling. Did you do anything about it in school? Like being a manager? Let's see. Just invent. Alright. Okay. Yes. So I've invented the pay, job market, enjoyment, my talents, and schooling. So the next thing we want to do now is we're going to be adding like a prerequisite. Yes. So for here, I'll be calculating. You can do this anyhow, but for here I'll be using 3 to calculate my pay. Yes, I just want to use average. Then remember, we're rating from 1 to 5. So for the job market, I like to use 5 to calculate. For the enjoyment, I'll use 4. 4 is fair. For the talent, I'll use 3 average. So for the schooling, I'll use 3 likewise. So what this means is that this is what I'll be using to calculate for all these columns. Yes, this will calculate this, or this will calculate this, this will calculate this. So let's get right into it. So this will be equals to this multiplied by this. So let's self-fill and see if it's going to be correct. Can you see? Can you see what it's doing here? So what it's doing is it's actually relative referencing it. So it's not correct. Yes, it's not correct. So we'll have to absolute reference it. Yes, we need to absolute reference it. So what we'll do is we just come here and add our $sign. Click enter. If you go all the way back here, you would self-fill it again. Can you see? Yes, this is the correct one. So if you click here, you see that it is self-referencing the the value that we are using to calculate and the pay. Do you understand? So that's what we're doing. So we used absolute reference here. We used absolute reference to calculate. Yes, you can see if you click on this, exactly, if you click on the last one, yes, to reference this major value that you're using to calculate it. So that's it. So let's also do the same for this job market. So that will be equals to this multiplied by this. Mind you, you need to add your dollar sign. Yes, can you see? Yes, so let's self-fill it. Remember to absolute reference it. Yes, if not, you'll be having greater values and you don't need that. So the next one is the enjoyment. So with this multiplied by this. Remember to add the absolute reference and enter. Yes, so like I said, this is a very simple analysis. Just need to follow the trick. So we are at the talent column, so this will be equals to this multiplied by the talent. Remember to add absolute referencing, which is your dollar sign, and click enter. Can you see? Yes, so you self-fill it. Yes, it's simple, right? So let's just do the last one, which is schooling, and that will be 3 multiplied by the schooling. Remember cell reference, the absolute reference here. I click enter. So now let's self-fill this all the way down. Yes, so can you see it's looking nice? All right, so next thing we're going to be doing is let's add the total pay. What this means is that, okay, let's see how well this will pay. Now, so the first thing we'll do is just equals to the calculated columns for each of these pay, job market, enjoyments columns. So we'll click plus, we come all the way to the job market, plus come all the way to the enjoyment, you add your plus. So we're trying to add them all together. Come here and click enter. So you can see if you click on this, you added all the calculated columns. So now let's self-fill all the way down. Can you see? Yes. So let's just add some bold to this. Let's bold it. Yes, so the next thing we'll do is let's add some font color. Let's start with our pay. Yes, let's add some font color. What color should we use? This is nice. Let's, for the job market, we'll do the same. Alright, so for the enjoyment, let's give it yes. So for the talents, let's add some font colors to it also, just to make it. Remember, you do not need to use harsh colors. Yes, so this is for the schooling. Alright, so we added colors to the pay, job market, enjoyment, my talent, and schooling, just to differentiate them. So here we need to condition format this. Yes, we're trying to actually find the highest. So what do we do? Greater than. So let's use the greater than and click anyone that is greater than 90. I'm not sure we have, or greater than 86. Okay, so you see we can't use this, so let's go back and do it again. So we can use the less than 85. So we can't use this also. So what do we use? Just trying to make sure that we understand this. So what do we use? We can use equals to. Yes. So this will. You can change the color here to green. Yes. Click OK. So what this means is that this is the highest. You just condition this, that this is the highest value decision. So if you look all the way, it's data analyst. So that is just what we're trying to do, to decide what career works best. Do you understand? So here we can see that 85 came higher, which is data analyst. The one that was close to it was 74, which is marketer. So that's it, guys. We're done with this career decision analysis. So keep working on it, keep practicing it till you understand. You can rewatch if it seems confusing, and you can keep practicing it just to make it very clear. All right, so please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on your post notification. Thank you.